So as you know, we're this close to actually having internet way out here. I believe it's going to be the most remote place in Costa Rica with internet.
Okay, it's welded and looking pretty good. And Rebecca is giving me a hand.
All right, so as you can see, we're working on the door. I didn't have one big piece of metal, so I got two pieces of metal, welded them together. I got my gopher helping me. And so right now, somebody ought to be playing this song for Rebecca. And that song goes like, she's a bad mama jamma. That's right.
She's a bad mama jamma.
So we're getting it done, and we're getting closer. All right, it is the end of the second day, and we have finally got our box all set up. And as you can see, we got a camera right here. We have a sign that talks about your own video.